Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to explore the user profile. We'll start from profile. Once we get to profile, the first thing we'll see is membership. Currently, I've not subscribed to any membership plan. I'm currently on a freebie. When you first log into or sign up to Knowvas, you are automatically a freebie user. We have saved content. If I have added anything to wish list, I can click here. So this is on the wish list. So I'm going to go back. Now, I don't have any other history. Let's look at this, the user preference. Here you can change your password. You can adjust your theme. I come here, you can see that my theme is black. Actually, this is really not my preference. I'm going to come back and save it. Let's look at adult content filtering. Maybe you don't want to see any adult content here. So this particular content is, let's look at the detail. You can see it's 18 plus. It's meant for 18 plus. Let's say I don't want to see it, or probably I want to hand over my device to my child. I can block it. So if I say save, you can see I've saved it. Then let's go back to the content. So I'm going to refresh anyway. So I have refreshed. You can see that particular content is gone. So it's no longer there. Let me try to search for it. I think it's Kerry. So Kerry gets caught. So it's here. But if I attempt to check it, it takes me back to the preference. But what we're going to add later in future is to password protect it, so that whoever you are handing your device to won't be able to change it without your password. So you can see that because I have filtered it out, I won't be able to get any adult or mature content that was put on the site. So this ensures that safety of teenager, young adults who are below 18. And this also is automatic when account is set up. Once you put age that is lower than 18, adult content is automatic. It won't be available here. Automatically is set to adult content filtering. So that's how it works. We can block it, save it. Other preferences. So the adult content filtering is open. Now let's talk about the membership plan. So automatically you are on freebie, which is not a paid plan. Once you are here, you have access to 5 free ebooks per month, 1 free audiobook per month, 2 free comics, magazine, newspaper per month. Any of these 2 per month. So that's 5, 6, 8. No access to non-free content. Any content that is not free, you don't have access to it. Or a content that is set as of membership only. You can only access this on one device. You have your statistics here. Free books, 5 left. I've not read any free book at all. I'm currently checking one magazine, so I have 1 left. And then free audiobooks. I've not accessed any audiobook. And here, so that's how. So automatically, as a free user, you have access to 8 content every month. 8, no story, right? Any free content on the platform, you have access to it every month. Then we are going to look at the subscription tiers. So let's look at manage devices. This is where your devices are. Let's say you want to log in on another device, but you can remove this particular device so that you'll be able to log in. And as a matter of fact, when you try to log in on another device, it will tell you that one device is already logged in. So you have to remove one before you use the other. So then you also can accept news release, promotion discounts. Then that's all about the free tier. You continue to enjoy Knowvas completely, and this automatically renew every month. Once you sign in, it renews every month. Every month you continue to have 5 free ebooks, 1 free audiobook, 2 free comics, magazine, newspaper per month. Any of these will count. Let's look at different plans. Plans gives you more opportunities to have access to different other content. So I'm going to go back to home. I'll go back to profile again. So here I can check, I can get it from here. I can upgrade my plans from here. If I come down here, so you can see I can upgrade it. So let's go back, or I'll simply come here. So this is where the membership plans comes in. So here you have your Lite, we have Avid, then we have Prime. So Lite is 1,005 per month. You are going to have access to 5 free ebooks and 5 non-free ebooks per month. That's 10. Then access to 2 free audiobooks, 2 non-free audiobooks per month. That's 4. Then access to 3 free plus 3 non-free comics, magazine, any one of these 3 per month. So that's 6, that's 10, and that's 20 content per month. 20 on Lite, which is 1,500. You have access to 20 content, and they're accessible on one device only. So you can subscribe here. Then we have what we call Avid. If you are an avid reader, so you can get more on Knowvas. So everything here plus 10 free, 10 not free, that's 20. Audiobooks 5 plus 5 non, that is 30. Then you also have access to 5 free plus 5 non-free comics, magazine. That is 40 content per month. That's huge. And above all, you have access on 2 devices at the same time. Then we have Prime. Prime is 5,500 per month, unlimited. So all the content on Knowvas, unlimited. And in addition, we have up to 3 devices. And here you can have offline reading. Once our mobile app is ready, you can read offline. You can download it on your mobile and read, right? So that's the plans on Knowvas. And to really get started with any of these, just subscribe. So currently we are running demo